everything else in Florida seems to be closed, particularly here in the Orlando area. We took some time to come out here and enjoy some citrus fruit. So today we're stopping out showcase of citrus, 100% pure Florida fun. So we're all out here today. We're going to check this place out. So let's see what they've got. This is out in Claremont. It was a nice drive out here. It's out kind of in the country, as you can see, so we're definitely outside of the more crowded areas. They've got nice lake. What if you can do some fishing in here? And of course, they have the kids' play area. It is basically a tourist gift shop kind of area, themed around oranges. It's not a bad little spot. It's quite honestly, it's got more people here than I would have expected. But you know, with everything being closed, it doesn't really kind of surprise me too much. We're finding that a lot of these little out-of-the-way places are doing a little bit more business than I guess they otherwise would, because of the bigger theme parks being shut down. There you go. Wonder if he was caught in this lake. Something tells me I doubt it. But other than this place and a few other gift shops and small tourist areas, everything else is pretty much shut down. This has got a monster truck tour of the plantation, so we're going to try and take that. We've got a 3 o'clock reservation for that, and we've got to go get checked in here in a little bit. But I think you can see the truck over there. Oh, look, they have a bar too.
Oh, it's bananas, pineapple, sugar, mango, lemon juice.
Monkey butter? What's in monkey butter?
Bananas, pineapple, sugar, mango, and lemon juice.
Huh.
And then there's
The
frog.
frog
Figs,
jam.
raspberries, orange, and ginger. That sounds good. I don't
Gator
know if I'd like this because of the bananas.
Sugar, apples, raspberry, orange juice, tangerine juice, lemon juice, pectin, and ginger.
But this one sounds the best. The toe jam.
Toe jam.
Tangerine, orange, and elderberry. That sounds good.
It does.
I don't think I'd like this because I think the bananas will be the prominent flavor.
Probably, because it even looks like it.
Yeah, and they're the first ingredients. That's what's most in there.
And we've got some little animals here. What is it? Shetland ponies, little tiny miniature donkey, little miniature cows? I have no idea. Hello there, cow. Hello there, cow. But you know what? I bet they're used to it. They've lived here their whole life. Oh, those are baby goats?
Yep. The black one is the mommy.
one of those goats that freak out and pass out. Screaming, passing out
You
goats.
can pick your own fruit.
Oh, how nice is that?
Honey, they have honey tangerines. They have Valencia oranges, lemons. Other kind of orange that you can pick.
Mainly they forage for themselves about 90% of it. And we feed them a lot of oranges on our tours.
Well, yeah.
And then they just, they're mainly on
They could
their
have
own.
like the best immune system ever with all these oranges, huh?
Oh, yeah.
They like the dirty oranges.
I just ordered me one of those.
My grandson took it to sale because he got fresh eggs.
Oh, really? You ordered it online? Oh, did it? It's like eating a blueberry. Basically, a big white animal. Yeah, it's hard to see in there. His are solid. This one here, his are as heavy as they look. They're very light. They're honeycombed inside, and there's large arteries that run through there, and it helps him maintain his body temperature. So he's got a couple of radiators on his head. There's Clyde. Don't put a yellow. Nope, I don't think anybody's ever.
Let's name him.
It's got to be an African name.
Zimbabwe.
No, that's a country. Like a devil. Name devil.
Mbutu.
And that'll lion.
Well, that's it for us today. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We hope you guys had a good time today and enjoyed the video here at the Showcase of Citrus. Please remember, subscribe so you can join us on future journeys. Hit that like button and click that bell so that you'll know when we get future videos posted. Thank you. Have a very good day.